I know back when Kuku because Castle la then new Oye la the mount to the community upon a shop all the too much and there's somebody made a tomato get into a shop and that to new Oye and that new Oye is very very far from them and then you know really because the problem were park and there and everyone know where park now like them make POS and the community and local government people and I show you Bola Mandi POS Mandi Nerengli.
Oh, okay. So everybody is discomforted.
Yes.
But I don't. This is airport.
Yes.
Don't you think that it is wise to remove market from here so that for airport for plane to land? Because open at cargo chocolate land, it's difficult to some the risky. So removing the crowd from here that is safer for you and I masses that had to go to safe so that they remove the market to a permanent site. Can ever be free in case of any emergency landing. Don't you think it's nice?
Yes. Na park Gadeba, he could many players allow because na some our riders now every passenger can make POS when make payments.
Okay.
Allow umbrella.
Okay. So park Gadeba.
Yes.
Park Gadeba.
Yes.
Okay. So we are having a park in this place instead of a market.
Yes.
So it is better the market goes away from here because I take a park here. I got the too rowdy. It's better the market goes far so they have only park here. Can reduce the crowd not here.
Yes.
So but still it affects everybody. I heard that now is it true?
Yes. And then I told them mother on a bridge and now you 20,000, 30,000, 40,000.
So tax force chase people away from here.
Yes.
Because it has been stated that everybody should vacate here.
Yes. If we are POS machine naka ejidege ka get 40,000. Ejidonye na renli onye fuji na baro ana 30,000. Ejidonye pure water vela baro ana 15,000.
Okay,
it's unfair
as a penalty for not leaving.
Yes, it's unfair.
Yes, really very much unfair. But to me, I think Ogadikwa very hard because from what the development coming here, I think it's nice. How do you see it? Is it nice?
Yes. But something that penalty na demand I said na demand I got to tell the government. Okay. Is it true?
Well, I don't know about that fact. If the money goes to the state government, I don't know about that fact. But then, concerning the fact that Eba Adigo possible for people to leave and go into the permanent site, what I want to find out from the people's opinion, is it better they remain here or they go to the permanent sites?
Better we remain here.
So you would prefer you remain here?
Yes, because government generate so much of money.
Okay. So you would prefer remaining at the old Oye Emene than going to the permanent site?
Yes.
So but what do you have to say about the airport that is close by here?
That airport close by here is no building here.
Okay. Thank you very, very much, and we enjoyed having an interaction with you and airing your feelings and your mind towards the happenings here. You know, everybody has his or her own opinion towards how the things are. So now I want to bring down this question to you. So far, so good. Are you happy with the current developments going on in Enugu, in as much as you know, for progress to come, nobody is enjoying it. I myself am suffering. You understand? So, but are you enjoying the current situation, current development? Because this place, Alocheba now, definitely is going to be very beautiful. And I believe the Ageme, I don't know, I believe the Ageme roundabout, or they find it easy for movement of, other cars, because hold up on Akankeba. So are you comfortable with this development in as much as, apart from the fact that it's affecting you?
Yes. If I may say, Dr. Peter Mba is the best government so far. He's trying.
So that means you're comfortable with this development.
Yes.
So we're just going to only give little patience so that Kamagodi Yogeme. Because everywhere is under development. Everywhere, everybody, everywhere, and it's not usual like this in Enugu. And we are seeing it for the first time that things are Nagazi Agano is in the Madigan within Didi. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, our agent, for having you on Enugu Online TV.
My name is Sonny Buma. Keep watching Enugu Online TV.
My name is Daniel Nlanyerugo. Keep on watching Enugu Online TV.
Hi guys, you're watching Enugu Online TV. Stay tuned. You gotta like, yeah.